Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's completely appropriate time, and definitely I will give you the very huge update and the very good production, my brother. So kindly in this video I will predicate this coin, and definitely my friend I will share also opinion. So kindly must watch this video to understand better now. Congratulations, Polygon holder, first of all, to in last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour. It's been to last week, my brother. All crypto market is wake up, but Polygon and absolutely my friends is go in the moon now. So congratulations, my brother. Let's see, my brother, but kindly please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. This time the Polygon price is 0.93 USD dollar. I hope the price will be hit now again to USD dollar, but this is only my friend Apple holder or hold it. So kindly holders hold it and don't sell it. Absolutely, if you hold, so I hope they will moving upward now. So this time, if you can say, my brother, after this fails, you can see they will starting moving upward and upward, completely go in the moon now. But definitely, my friend, everybody knows this too. After a fails, they will take a very huge jump, and after a huge jump, they will completely fails down. So therefore, my brother, you can see after this fails, they will starting moving upward, and I hope at the end of month they will also move upward now. So if you hold, so I hope they will give you a profit. Sell it at the end of month. I hope, my brothers, they will make you millionaire now. So Polygon holders, don't do any mistake. Don't sell it. Don't my friends, sell it. And absolutely, if you sell, so you cannot get a profit. So kindly, if you want to profit, so just only hold it. And if you have any plan to invest tomorrow, so I think these days the price is very cheap, so go and invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.